Most people believe that once knee pain sets in and every step feels like grinding rusted metal, there's no turning back. The common path leads to pills, joint injections, or even surgery, along with a lifetime of stiffness, reduced mobility, and fear of losing independence. But what if I told you that path isn't the only one? Today, I'm going to share a story and some science that may completely change how you think about joint health. You'll meet a remarkable orthopedic surgeon who, at 97 years old, has spent his life studying thousands of knees, torn, swollen, worn down by arthritis, and even rebuilt. His message is astonishingly simple. There is one natural food that can begin joint regeneration in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. 24 hours. And the best part, it doesn't require a prescription or a scalpel. Just a spot on your plate. Sounds unbelievable? That's because most of us have been conditioned to view food as fuel, not medicine. We've been told that cartilage can't regrow and that aging automatically means pain. But groundbreaking research and decades of observation say otherwise. In this video, you'll discover which foods work like internal lubricants for your joints, what vegetables, fruits, proteins, and healthy fats actually stimulate cartilage repair. And at the very end, I'll reveal the #1 most powerful yet overlooked food for joint regeneration. Most people walk past it in the store without realizing its power. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and might just change the way you move. So if staying active, pain-free, and mobile truly matters to you, hit that like and subscribe button now and stay tuned until the end. I promise, even the most skeptical viewers will be surprised by what they learn. And tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? We love hearing from viewers around the world. Food #1, the silent green protector, broccoli. When you think about joint pain, broccoli probably doesn't come to mind. But this humble green vegetable may be one of your strongest allies in the battle against cartilage breakdown. Inside broccoli is sulforaphane, a potent natural compound that researchers have identified as a joint-protecting superhero. Sulforaphane works by blocking enzymes that slowly erode cartilage and cause inflammation. It doesn't just protect, it activates internal repair systems that help regenerate cartilage structure, especially vital after the age of 40 when the body's self-healing begins to decline. Think of your knee like a metal gear. Over time, it rusts and wears down. Broccoli acts like a natural anti-rust agent and lubricant, preventing further damage and promoting smoother motion. People who consistently include broccoli in their diet report noticeable improvements within just weeks. Less stiffness in the morning, reduced pain while walking, and even improved flexibility. It's easy to add to your meals. Steam it lightly, toss it in a salad, blend it into a smoothie with apple and lemon, or sauté it with garlic and olive oil. Packed with vitamins C and K, plant-based protein, and fiber, broccoli provides the raw materials your joints need to thrive. Food #2, the ocean's gift, wild salmon. If your joints could talk, they'd thank you for every serving of wild-caught salmon. Among all natural remedies for joint repair, salmon stands tall thanks to its unique dual action. It reduces inflammation and fuels tissue regeneration. Its omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their ability to calm chronic inflammation, one of the main culprits behind joint destruction. Less inflammation means less pain and more room for healing. But salmon goes even further. It's loaded with high-quality protein, essential for the production of collagen, the glue that keeps your cartilage strong, elastic, and shock-absorbent. This is especially critical after age 50, when your body produces less collagen naturally. Salmon is as delicious as it is healing. Grill it, bake it, flake it over a salad, or enjoy it as sashimi. Just be sure to choose wild-caught over farmed whenever possible. Wild salmon contains higher levels of beneficial nutrients and far fewer contaminants or additives. Food #3, the sunny citrus shield, oranges. Oranges are far more than just a refreshing snack or a source of morning juice. These golden citrus fruits are essential for knee health because they're one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, a nutrient absolutely vital for producing collagen, the protein framework that gives cartilage its structure, flexibility, and shock-absorbing power. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't repair or regenerate cartilage, no matter how strong your will. But oranges don't stop at just collagen production. They also contain bioflavonoids, powerful plant compounds that enhance vitamin C's effects and reduce joint inflammation on their own. Incorporating oranges into your day is simple and delicious. A glass of fresh squeezed juice in the morning, orange segments in a green salad at lunch, or simply peeling and enjoying one as a midday snack. Every bite sends healing messages to your joints. Food number 4. The leaf that builds you from within. Kale. Don't underestimate the power of dark leafy greens. Kale, often called the king of superfoods, is like internal armor for your joints. It's packed with vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in guiding calcium to your bones instead of letting it settle in blood vessels, reducing arterial stiffness and strengthening your skeletal structure. Kale also delivers a healthy dose of calcium itself, providing the structural material needed to maintain dense, durable bones and supportive joint tissue. And with its natural anti-inflammatory properties, kale calms irritated joints and restores mobility. It's remarkably versatile. Blend it into smoothies, toss it into a salad, sauté it with olive oil and garlic, or stir it into soups and stews. With every serving, you reinforce your body's internal scaffolding. Food number 5. The kitchen's quiet hero. Black beans. They may seem humble, but black beans are a nutritional powerhouse for your joints. These modest legumes are loaded with plant-based protein, essential for producing collagen and elastin, the fibers that give your cartilage flexibility and strength. But that's not all. Black beans are rich in magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals critical for relaxing muscles, reducing cramping, and accelerating tissue repair around the joints. Their dark skin contains anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that actively reduce inflammation inside the joint capsule. Plus, their high fiber content improves gut health and boosts mineral absorption, ensuring that your body actually uses the nutrients it consumes. Boil them, add them to soups, salads, or mash them into spreads. Black beans are a delicious way to nourish your joints. Food number 6. The tiny berry of youth. Blueberries. These little gems may be small, but their impact on joint health is massive. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, the same potent antioxidants found in black beans, but in even higher concentrations. These compounds act like internal scavengers, sweeping away inflammation and oxidative stress that degrade cartilage over time. Blueberries also improve microcirculation, helping vital nutrients reach deep into joint tissues to nourish and rebuild cartilage. With a solid dose of vitamin C and fiber, they also support collagen production and help regulate digestion, further enhancing nutrient absorption. Eat them by the handful, stir them into yogurt, toss them into smoothies, or freeze them for a cool summer snack. Sweet, simple, and incredibly healing. Food number 7. The sweet root of strength. Sweet potatoes. Earthy, vibrant, and deeply nourishing, sweet potatoes are a treasure trove of joint-healing nutrients. Rich in beta-carotene, they help speed up cellular repair, while their natural vitamin C content contributes to collagen formation. But perhaps their most overlooked benefit is their anti-inflammatory effect, achieved through a perfect blend of soluble fiber and antioxidants. By supporting healthy digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels, sweet potatoes help keep inflammation down across the body, including in your joints. Enjoy them baked, steamed, mashed, or sliced and roasted with herbs. And don't peel off the skin. It's loaded with nutrients that fortify your joints from within. Food number 8. The liquid gold for joints. Extra virgin olive oil. Few foods are as timeless and healing as cold-pressed olive oil. This liquid gold is rich in oleocanthal, a natural compound that acts like ibuprofen, reducing pain and inflammation, but without the side effects of synthetic medications. It also contains vitamin E, which guards cartilage cells from oxidative stress, keeping your joints youthful and protected from wear and tear. Drizzle it on salads, blend it into smoothies, or take a spoonful on an empty stomach to jumpstart healing from the inside. It's a daily ritual that can turn stiffness into strength. Food number 9. The cartilage builder's elixir. Chicken bone broth. Last, but without a doubt the most powerful of all, is chicken bone broth. Simmered for at least 8 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar, this ancient elixir pulls collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus from the bones, a complete construction kit for rebuilding joints. It's liquid therapy. Just 1 cup per day can trigger cartilage regeneration, reduce stiffness, and accelerate healing of tiny joint injuries you didn't even know existed. Sip it warm in the morning, Use it as a base for soups, or freeze it into cubes to add to your meals. This is nutrition as nature intended it, simple, powerful, and life-changing. Now you know joints don't only heal through injections, pills, or surgery. They heal with the right fuel, the foods that support, lubricate, and rebuild cartilage from within. This isn't magic. It's biology. When you nourish your body with purpose, it begins the process of self-repair. So don't wait until pain forces your hand. Start today and give your joints what they truly need. Because freedom isn't found in a pill bottle. It's found on your plate. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel where we talk openly, honestly, and scientifically about the habits that can change your life right now. Remember, strength isn't just in your muscles. Strength is in your movement. And movement begins with healthy joints. Take care of them, and they'll carry you to a future of freedom, lightness, and vitality.